Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Pisces. This is general love reading and this reading is remaining month of June. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see your recent past. So what is going on your connection right now, Pisces? So your person near future actions towards you. Okay, so let's see your recent past. 9 of Wands, 7 of Cups, Ace of Swords. In past, your person guarded, definitely 9 of Wands. Your person could be fire sign, or your person could be fire sign. You water sign is here. Communication is there, or less communication between both of you, but your person want to communicate. In past, and there will be also communication is started between you and your person, and your person is fantasizing about you a lot, or you could be fantasizing about your person a lot. Definitely both want new beginning in this connection in past. So what is going on your connection right now? Let's see. 7 of Wands, Queen of Swords, and Page of Cups. Wow, your person or you already apologized in this situation who did wrong in this connection, and your person don't want to give up on this connection. 7 of Wands. If there are obstacles, even though they don't want to give up on this connection, and I think your person is also straightforward. If you want to time and love to this connection, then okay, otherwise you go. That type your person could be, and your person also apologize to you if they did wrong, or you could be apologize to them if you could did wrong. Definitely there will be some talking going between both of you, communication. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Pisces. Transformation, patience, courage. Yes, transformation, death. Definitely your person undergo some spiritual awakening. Transformation is going, or you may be undergoing some transformation. Patience, 7 of Pentacles. Yes, one person invests on this connection more than the other, but patience and balance is needed in this connection, definitely. And courage, strength. Yes, your person stand by their power. They overcome all the difficulties in this connection, or to give another chance. They thinking to give another chance to this connection, because they are patiently waiting for this connection, because they give more this connection than you. They undergo some transformation also. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Pisces. Breakthrough, stress, maturity. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. Sagittarius reading also got most of these cards. Ace of Pentacles, your person want long-term commitment with you. Breakthrough, justice. Yes, definitely justice will happen, reconciliations will happen. Stress, 7 of Wands. Definitely your person don't want to give up on this connection, and you both want this connection. You both want new beginning in this connection. For sure it will happen. Already communication is starting between both of you. If there is less communication or no communication, so patience is needed in this connection. Transformation, definitely reconciliation is happening. Justice is going to be served. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.